All right, let's get our paper ready for a grid for our macro still life. And we're going to be using the 12 by 16 newsprint and the charcoal paper that goes with it. The charcoal paper this time is white, and it should look like it has the texture almost of like a really bad cheap kind of paper towel, but it's like nice, like kind of thick paper, and you can see the tooth on it. So make sure that you grab the right one. Okay, it's 12 by 16, and I know mine's a little bit off. Okay, I did my best cutting them, but I just I missed some. There was a lot of paper to be cut for like 4 whole art classes and like 150 kids. So spare me. So we're gonna start first with the newsprint though, because we do everything on newsprint first. So we do a rough draft. Okay, let's focus. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to turn this into a quick grid very easily. Now, this is 12 by 16. You can even tell with your ruler. Okay, there's 12 inches, and another 4 is about 16. Okay, so have a standard ruler. I'm using one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the long sides. Okay, so just stay with me. I have a reason for doing this. What we'll do is we'll measure out where the halfway point is, and if this is 16 inches long, then I know that 8 inches is half of 16. Okay, so I put a little mark there to show 8 inches, and now I'm not flipping my paper around or anything, I'm just going directly down, and I'm going to find the midway point of this. There we go, I found 8 inches, and so that's the midway point on those sides of the paper, and now what I will do is I will connect these lines, those little tick marks. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll flip this around, and I need to find the halfway point of this side. So if this is 12 inches, then the halfway point is about 6 inches, and mine just looks like it's a little touch over 12 inches on that side. So I'll line my ruler up to that corner nice and straight, and I will do a little 6-inch mark right there. Okay, I'm going to line my ruler up again with this line that I did, and I'll do another 6-inch mark from right there. Do it bigger so you can see. Okay, there you go. And the last one, I'm going to line up my ruler with the bottom of the paper and find the 6 mark right there. Okay, and I'm just gonna flip this around again. Okay, so I have all my little halfway points marked, and I'm going to connect it again. Now, it would be really great if my ruler could make it all the way to that point right there, but I knew it wasn't going to, so that's why I had you measure out the halfway point on this line as well. That way we can connect this midpoint to the next one. Okay, and then I can connect that midway point to this one. Okay. If you have an extremely, extremely hard time doing this kind of thing, and somebody else in your house is a little better at this, then please go get them and get them to help you with this. Please do not make a wonky graph. Now, I'll show you while we're using this. We made a grid here so that it would be easier to draw from our reference picture that we made a graph on in Google Drawings. So now you can look at your reference picture here with a nice grid. Okay, it's broken up into 4 equal quadrants, just like your newsprint paper. And so that'll be your reference picture, and the grid should help you. Have fun. Good luck.